his life upon that tree. Oh, can you see him as they nailed him there upon a cruel Calvary? Or can you see him there and turn your head? Or can you say along with me, I love him so? My Lord and my Savior, save my soul, all its sin came into my heart to stay. He gives me joy that never brings me down, peace that comforts day by day, a loving feeling that I can't replace. Oh, how can you not say I love him so? I love him so. Jesus, my coming Christ, will you come at night or noon? Will I see you face to face? Oh, how I hope that day is soon to come, when I can go with you to heaven and sit and sing your praises at your feet, and look into your eyes and say,